Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to resolve one of the another error, and the error is check table 169p entry RCC1 does not exist. To resolve this error, I'll open another window here and I'll go to the transaction code OMRG, and I'll try to find out my company code here. So there is no entry. So what I need to do, I need to create entry for my company code here. To make it easy, what I'll do, I'll copy existing structure and I'll make the changes here. Perfect. And I can save the record. I'll give the entry to my CR number. Perfect. Go back. Then again we need to open the MIGO screen. Click OK and try to press the check button again. Great. Now there is no error. I can see system is ready to accept this posting. We will be doing this posting in next video. Till the time, please do the practice. In case if you have any question, please feel free to use chat section, or you can also use my email address as well. Till the time, do the practice. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.